Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I will teach you how you can create or start a group call on Telegram. So let's get started. Now in the first step, you will need to create a group. So to do that, here on your home screen, guys, tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left corner and select new group from that drop-down menu to create a completely new group for your contact. Next, select the contacts of yours you would like to invite to your group. Tap on that arrow to the right icon here in the top right corner. After that, add a profile icon or a photo and add a name, and that's basically it. Confirm by clicking on that check mark here in the bottom right corner. That will take you to your group chat, and from here simply tap on your group name here at the top. After that, tap on these three dots in the top right corner. Next, tap on start video chat, and after that confirm the starting by tapping on start a video chat at the bottom. Alternatively, you may also schedule the video chat and start it at some point later. In the following, give Telegram a couple of seconds to finish establishing the group chat and finish inviting members. And after that, you will be given the opportunity to participate in that video chat. You can, for example, enable or turn on your device's camera to participate with your face. Also, guys, if you'd like to say something in your group call, simply tap on unmute here, or you can alternately leave the group call here. And also, guys, you can invite more members to that group call by tapping on invite members there. And that is basically all to it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.